Hey everyone, you are watching Deshwal Talks and this is my first video. I made this channel for learning purpose, so let's get started. In this video, I will explain you all the countries in the world and their capitals. As per the reports, the world is divided into 7 continents, comprising of 195 countries. The 7 continents in the world are Africa, Asia, Australia, Europe, North America, South America and Antarctica. Out of the 7 continents, Antarctica is situated at the South Pole and it is inhabited. Hence, the other 6 continents consist of 195 countries of the world. Asia is the largest continent area-wise with the largest population, whereas Africa is the continent with the most number of countries in the world. We are providing you with the complete list of all the countries in the world along with their capitals. The 7 continents of the world where all the countries are situated are given below. Africa contains 54 countries containing about 27% of the world's total countries. Asia has the highest number of population with approx 4.4 billion people living on the continent alone. And continents are first Africa, second Asia, third Australia, fourth Europe, fifth North America, sixth South America, seventh Antarctica. First of all, we should know why do all the countries have capitals. You may wonder why do countries need capitals in the first place? What is the importance of having a capital city? The word capital is derived from the Latin caput, meaning head. The capital of a country acts as the head of the state. It is the prime center for all government related services or offices. The administration of the country is generally controlled by the people sitting in the capital that symbolizes power. Let's take a look at the continent-wise list of the countries and their capitals in alphabetical order. Countries vary largely based on demographic and other factors. Countries and capitals of Africa. Africa is the world's second largest continent by area and population. It contains approx 54 countries in total. The continent is among the least wealthy due to the legacies of European colonization. The largest country of Africa by area is Algeria, and Nigeria is its largest by population. Check out the list of African countries and their capitals. Before that, look at the image of African continent. On left side we have country's name and on right side we have their capital city. Algeria have capital Algiers, Angola Luanda, Benin Porto Novo, Botswana Gaborone, Burkina Faso Ouagadougou Ugao, Burundi Kitika, Cabo Verde Praia, Cameroon Yaoundé, Central African Republic Bangui, Equatorial Guinea Malabo Djibouti, Oiella seat of government, Eritrea Asmara, Eswatini formerly Swaziland, Mbabane administrative Lobamba legislative royal, Ethiopia Addis Ababa, Gabon Libreville, Gambia Banjul, Ghana Accra, Guinea Conakry, Guinea-Bissau, Chad N'Djamena, Comoros Moroni, Congo Democratic Republic of the Kinshasa, Congo Republic of the Brazzaville, Cote d'Ivoire, Yamoussoukro, Djibouti City, Egypt Cairo, Guinea-Bissau, Kenya Nairobi, Lesotho Maseru, Liberia Monrovia, Libya Tripoli, Madagascar Antananarivo, Malawi Lilongwe, Mali Bamako, Mauritania Nouakchott, Mauritius Port Louis, Morocco Rabat, Mozambique Maputo, Namibia Windhoek, Niger Niamey, Nigeria Abuja, Rwanda Kigali, Sao Tome and Principe Sao Tome, Senegal Dakar, Seychelles Victoria, Sierra Leone, Freetown, Somalia, Mogadishu, South Africa, Pretoria Administrative, Cape Town Legislative, Bloemfontein Judicial, South Sudan, Juba, Sudan, Khartoum, Tanzania, Dodoma, Tongo, Lomé, Tunisia, Tunis, Uganda, Kampala, Zambia, Lusaka, Zimbabwe, Harare. Now we will know countries and capitals of Asia. Asia is the largest and the most populous continent in the world. It constitutes roughly 60% of the world's population. Asia has been the site for many first civilization of humans. It is subdivided into 49 countries with its own distinctive features. India and China are the major economies of Asia, contributing to the world GDP. Take a look at all Asian countries along with their capitals. Before that, look at the map of Asian continent. First countries and then their capital city. Afghanistan, Kabul. Armenia, Yerevan. Azerbaijan, Baku. Bahrain, Manama. Bangladesh, Dhaka. Bhutan, Thimphu. Brunei, Bandar Seri Begawan. Cambodia, Phnom Penh. China, Beijing. Cyprus, Nicosia. Georgia, Tbilisi. India, New Delhi. Indonesia, Jakarta. Iran, Tehran. Iraq, Baghdad. Israel, Jerusalem. Japan, Tokyo. Jordan, Amman. Kazakhstan, Nur Sultan. Kuwait, Kuwait City. Kyrgyzstan, Bishkek. Laos, Vientiane. Lebanon, Beirut. Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. Maldives, Mali. Mongolia, Ulaanbaatar. Myanmar, formerly Burma. Naypyidaw. Nepal, Kathmandu. North Korea, Pyongyang. Oman, Muscat. Pakistan, Islamabad. Palestine, Jerusalem East. Philippines, Manila. Qatar, Doha. Russia, Moscow. Saudi Arabia, Riyadh. Singapore, Singapore. South Korea, Seoul. Sri Lanka, Sri Jayawardhane Koti. Syria, Damascus. Taiwan, Taipei. Tajikistan, Dushanbe. Thailand, Bangkok. Timor-Leste, Dili. Turkey, Ankara. Turkmenistan, Ashgabat. United Arab Emirates, Abu Dhabi. Uzbekistan, Tashkent. Vietnam, Hanoi. Yemen, Sana'a. After that, let's see the countries and capitals of Australia. Australia, also known as Commonwealth of Australia, consists of its mainland Australia, Tasmania, and various other smaller islands. The main island Australia is the sixth largest country in the world, with Sydney being its largest city. It is a highly developed country with a high income economy. Check out the list of countries with capitals under the Australian continent. Before that, look at the picture of Australian continent. Australia, Canberra. Fiji, Suva. Kiribati, Tarawa. Marshall Island, Majuro. Micronesia, Palikir. Nauru, Yering District de facto. New Zealand, Wellington. Palau, Negromund. Papua New Guinea. Port Moresby. Samoa, Apia. Solomon Island, Honiara. Tonga, Nuku'alofa. Tuvalu, Funafuti. Vanuatu, Port Vila. Now let's see the countries and capitals of Europe. Europe is bordered by the Arctic Ocean, the Mediterranean Sea to the south, the Atlantic Ocean to the west, and Asia to the east. Check out the list of all European countries along with their capitals given next. Now see the pictures of European continent. Albania, Tirana. Andorra, Andorra la Vella. Armenia, Yerevan. Austria, Vienna. Azerbaijan, Baku. Belarus, Minsk. Belgium, Brussels, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Sarajevo, Bulgaria, Sofia, Croatia, Zagreb, Cyprus, Nicosia, Czechia, Prague, Denmark, Copenhagen, Estonia, Tallinn, Finland, Helsinki, France, Paris, Germany, Berlin, Gibraltar, Greece, Athens, Hungary, Budapest, Iceland, Reykjavik, Ireland, Dublin, Italy, Rome, Kosovo, Pristina, Latvia, Riga, Liechtenstein, Vaduz, Lithuania, Vilnius, Luxembourg City, Malta, Valletta, Moldova, Chisinau, Monaco, Montenegro, Podgorica, Netherlands, Amsterdam, Norway, Oslo, Poland, Warsaw, Portugal, Lisbon, Romania, Bucharest, Russia, Moscow, San Marino, Serbia, Belgrade, Slovakia, Bratislava, Slovenia, Ljubljana, Spain, Madrid, Sweden, Stockholm, Switzerland, Bern, Ukraine, Kiev, United Kingdom, London, Vatican City, Holy See, Vatican City. Now, North America country capitals. There are 23 countries that come under the North America continent. It contains the United States of America, the largest economy of the world. Check out the list of countries situated in the North America along with their capitals. And also see the pictures of North America continent. Antigua and Barbuda, St. John's, Bahamas, Nassau, Barbados, Bridgetown, Belize, Belmopan, Canada, Ottawa, Costa Rica, San Jose, Cuba, Havana, Dominica, Rosario, Dominican Republic, Santo Domingo, El Salvador, San Salvador, Grenada, St. George, Guatemala City, Haiti, Port-au-Prince, Honduras, Tegucigalpa, Jamaica, Kingston, Mexico City, Nicaragua, Managua, Panama City, St. Kitts and Nevis, Basitari, St. Lucia, Castries, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Kingstown, Trinidad and Tobago, Port of Spain, United States of America, Washington, D.C. Now countries and capitals of South America. South America lies below North America and is relatively small in size. It is the fourth largest continent in the world. There are 12 countries in South America. Check out the list of countries with their capitals. And let's see the picture of South America continent. Argentina, Buenos Aires, Bolivia, Sucre de Jure, La Paz, seat of government, Brazil, Brasilia, Chile, Santiago, Colombia, Bogota, Ecuador, Quito, Guyana, Georgetown, Paraguay, Asunción, Peru, Lima, Suriname, Paramaribo, Uruguay, Montevideo, Venezuela, Caracas. Now let's see something about Antarctica. Antarctica is a unique continent in that it does not have any native population. There is no countries in Antarctica, although 7 nations claim different parts of it: New Zealand, Australia, France, Norway, the United Kingdoms, Chile and Argentina. Now let's see the picture of Antarctica continent. That's it for today. If you see something good in a video, like, comment and share the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.